Imagine this. You wake up, sunlight peeking through your curtains, and reach for your phone to check your messages. For a split second you pause. What was your password again? Or maybe you open your calendar and just for a moment, forget what you had planned for the morning. It's not dramatic. It's not alarming. But if you're like many people I speak with, these little lapses are happening just a bit more often than they used to. Now most of us brush these moments off, chalking them up to stress, a busy week, or just getting older. But what if I told you the answer to sharper memory and better sleep isn't as complicated, or as far away, as you might think? What if it's on your kitchen counter, or even in your snack drawer? Today, I want to share a simple science-backed truth. What you eat before bed isn't just fueling your body, but also shaping your brain's nightly repair process. The choices you make in those last waking hours can either support your memory, focus, and mood, or quietly erode them over time. Let's explore how you can nourish your brain and unlock better sleep and sharper thinking, starting tonight. Let's start with something simple, familiar, and surprisingly powerful. Almonds. Most of us know almonds as a heart-healthy snack, great for a midday boost. But what's less discussed is their remarkable impact on the brain, especially when eaten in the evening. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields brain cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in age-related memory decline. Vitamin E doesn't just protect, it helps your neurons function more efficiently. Think of it like oiling the gears of a finely tuned machine, allowing your thoughts, memories, and creativity to flow more smoothly. But there's another molecule in almonds that's just as important for your nightly brain repair. Magnesium. Magnesium is known as nature's relaxant. It calms the nervous system, lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Studies show that people with higher magnesium levels experience fewer nighttime awakenings and more slow-wave sleep, the phase where the brain consolidates memories and clears away waste. Imagine your brain as a busy city at night. Magnesium helps flip on the streetlights, slow the traffic, and allow the city workers, your glial cells, to sweep up the day's metabolic debris. The result? You wake up feeling more refreshed, less foggy, and better able to recall what matters. And the best part? Almonds are incredibly easy to incorporate. Just a small handful, about 10 to 15 nuts, an hour before bed is enough to provide these benefits without overloading your system or spiking your blood sugar. It's important to note that raw or dry roasted almonds are best. Avoid those covered in salt, sugar, or flavorings, which can disrupt your sleep and increase inflammation. Simplicity is key here. If you're someone who finds yourself restless at night, or struggling with those little moments of forgetfulness in the morning, consider reaching for almonds instead of less healthy snacks. Over time, you'll give your brain the nutrients it needs for protection, repair, and optimal performance. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. By swapping just one late-night snack, you're already tipping the balance in your brain's favor. And if almonds aren't your favorite, stay tuned. There are other foods, equally powerful, that might suit your taste and routine even better. Now, let's talk about a food that's not only delicious but often called brain berries for a reason. Blueberries. These small, vibrant fruits pack a punch far beyond their size, especially when it comes to supporting your brain's memory networks and overnight repair. Blueberries are loaded with flavonoids, a class of plant compounds that have profound effects on brain health. Flavonoids work by enhancing communication between your brain cells, strengthening the synapses that underlie learning and memory. When you eat blueberries, you're essentially tuning up the brain's wiring, making it more efficient at storing and retrieving information. But what's even more fascinating is how these effects play out during sleep. Research shows that flavonoids help boost the brain's ability to consolidate memories while you rest. Think of it like saving your progress in a video game. The information you encounter during the day is downloaded and filed away at night, thanks to the nutrients you've provided. Blueberries also offer robust antioxidant protection, shielding the brain from oxidative damage and inflammation, both major contributors to cognitive decline. This is particularly important as we age, but the benefits can be felt at any stage of life, especially if you're under stress or not sleeping well. What's more, blueberries are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them an ideal evening snack that won't spike your blood sugar or disrupt your sleep hormones. A small bowl, enjoyed an hour or so before bed, can satisfy your sweet tooth while priming your brain for optimal overnight recovery. If fresh blueberries aren't available, frozen ones work just as well. In fact, freezing can preserve the flavonoids and antioxidants, ensuring you get the full spectrum of benefits year-round. You might be surprised by how quickly you notice a difference. Many people report improved recall, sharper focus, and even a brighter mood after consistently incorporating blueberries into their routine. It's a simple change, but one that can powerfully influence your brain's ability to process, store, and recall information, especially when paired with quality sleep. So next time you reach for a late-night treat, consider swapping in a handful of blueberries. You're not just satisfying a craving, you're investing in a healthier, more resilient brain. When we talk about food for the brain, few options are as universally recommended as salmon. This isn't just nutrition folklore. There's a deep well of science supporting the role of fatty fish in cognitive health and sleep quality. Salmon is one of the richest dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is a primary structural component of the brain. Think of it as the scaffolding that keeps your neurons flexible, responsive, and capable of rapid communication. But omega-3s do more than just build brain tissue. They actively reduce inflammation, support the growth of new neural connections, and even improve the function of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. This means better mood, sharper focus, and greater resilience to stress. All benefits that ripple into your sleep as well. Here's where it gets really interesting. Omega-3s are intimately involved in the regulation of melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. When your omega-3 intake is high, your brain is better able to produce and respond to melatonin, resulting in deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. In fact, studies have shown that people who regularly consume fatty fish like salmon experience fewer sleep disturbances, fall asleep faster, and wake up feeling more refreshed. The impact isn't just immediate, it accumulates over time, further protecting your brain against age-related decline. For an evening meal or even a small pre-bedtime snack, a few ounces of cooked salmon can make a substantial difference. If you don't eat fish, consider high-quality fish oil supplements, but always look for those tested for purity and potency to avoid contaminants. It's also worth noting that salmon is rich in vitamin B6, another nutrient essential for melatonin production and cognitive health. Together, these compounds form a powerful team, supporting both brain structure and nightly repair. If you're looking to boost your memory, protect against cognitive decline, and improve your sleep, incorporating salmon into your diet a few times a week is one of the most effective choices you can make. And remember, small, sustainable changes are more important than drastic overhauls. Even 1 or 2 servings per week can deliver real benefits for your brain and body. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you. Chocolate. But not just any chocolate, specifically high-quality dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. While chocolate has a reputation as a guilty pleasure, the right kind, in the right amount, can actually support your brain and sleep. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, the same class of compounds found in blueberries, but with some unique benefits. Flavonoids in chocolate improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to your neurons. This can lead to sharper attention, faster processing, and even better mood. The antioxidants in dark chocolate also help combat oxidative stress, a major culprit in memory loss and cognitive decline. By reducing inflammation and protecting your brain cells, dark chocolate offers a layer of defense that extends well beyond simple indulgence. There's another benefit. Dark chocolate can gently boost serotonin, a neurotransmitter closely tied to mood and sleep. In moderation, this can help you wind down and prepare your mind for a restful night. But here's the key: moderation. Because dark chocolate contains caffeine and sugar, too much can actually disrupt your sleep. The ideal serving is a small square, about 10 to 20 grams, enjoyed an hour or two before bedtime. When choosing your chocolate, look for products with minimal added sugar and no artificial additives. The higher the cocoa content, the greater the benefit for your brain and body. If you're skeptical, try making dark chocolate part of a balanced bedtime snack, paired with almonds or walnuts, for example. You may find it not only satisfies your craving but also helps you fall asleep more peacefully and wake up sharper. And for those who don't enjoy chocolate, remember, it's just one option among many. The point is, to find brain-supportive foods you genuinely enjoy, making them a sustainable part of your routine. The science is clear. When enjoyed mindfully, dark chocolate is more than just a treat. It's a tool for cognitive health and sleep quality. Finally, let's spotlight a food that often flies under the radar but is one of the most complete brain-supporting snacks available: walnuts. These nuts pack a unique combination of nutrients that target both memory and sleep, making them a top choice for anyone looking to optimize brain health. Walnuts are a rare plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. While ALA is slightly different from the omega-3s in fish, it still plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting the integrity of your brain's cell membranes. But walnuts offer more than just omega-3s. They're rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress and help protect your neurons from damage. This is especially important at night when your brain is busy repairing and reorganizing itself after a long day. One of the most interesting features of walnuts is their natural melatonin content. Eating walnuts before bed can gently raise your melatonin levels, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for deep, rejuvenating sleep. Studies have shown that people who consume walnuts regularly experience improvements in memory, attention, and verbal reasoning. These effects are believed to stem from the combined action of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all working together to support the brain's nightly reset. A small handful, about 7 to 10 walnut halves, is all you need. As with almonds, focus on raw or dry roasted nuts to avoid unnecessary additives and maximize the health benefits. If you're looking for a satisfying brain-boosting snack before bed, consider mixing walnuts with blueberries or a small piece of dark chocolate. The synergy between these foods amplifies their effects, giving your brain the best possible support as you sleep. The beauty of walnuts is in their versatility. They're easy to add to oatmeal, yogurt, or even a bedtime smoothie, allowing you to personalize your routine while still reaping the cognitive rewards. By making walnuts a regular part of your evening, you're not just supporting better sleep, you're investing in a sharper, healthier, and more resilient brain for years to come. As we've explored, true transformation doesn't come from overnight overhauls or chasing perfection. It's the small, consistent decisions, like reaching for almonds instead of chips, or adding a handful of walnuts to your evening routine, that add up to real, lasting change. Your brain doesn't need complexity, it needs consistency, patience, and the right fuel. Tonight, I invite you to pause before you head to bed. Ask yourself, have I given my brain what it needs to heal, repair, and grow stronger while I sleep? If the answer is no, don't worry. Now you know exactly where to begin, and every day brings a new opportunity to choose differently. If this video shifted your perspective, please like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can build a sharper mind and a stronger life, one simple habit at a time. Remember, a better brain doesn't start tomorrow, it starts with what you choose tonight.